All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, buying the coins, staking the coins, mining the coins, using that BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Well, all kinds of good stuff going on today. We're talking about Hamster Coin. That's right. We were just talking about it about a week ago. It was up 700%. Right now, just the other day, it was, if you were down at Times Square in New York, you got to see the Hamster Coin right there in the billboards and stuff. We're going to kind of go to the Twitter page and go over that. So we're going to be doing our price prediction on Hamster Coin, what's going on with it, what's in the news with it. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. All kinds of good information. Today is Sunday. Tom Brady's going to be on the tube talking about what he's getting into. That's right. Tom Brady's getting into cryptocurrency. He's going to keep telling everybody in football about cryptocurrency, which is going to be awesome for us because all of us are ahead of this because we're watching these channels and we're talking about cryptocurrency and we're involved in it. So a lot of good stuff. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Hamster Coin. All right, we're over here at Coin Market. Hamster is actually up 40% right now at 24 hours. The Hamster is up 40% in the last 24 hours. Pretty big. And in the last 7 days is up 10%. So 40% increase in the last 24 hours. Let's go Hamster. Why is that? We'll talk about that in a second. So clicking the Hamster here. It's ranked 2967 on Coin Market. It does take you a little bit of time. Hamster Coin 2967. If you're scrolling through, you're just not going to kind of scroll through 2,900 things before you find Hamster. You're going to have to actually be looking for Hamster. 2967. Now take a look over here at these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros in between this number. And they're talking about crushing a zero. 9, 6, 13. One of these zeros is getting ready to get crushed. So up 39% in the last 24 hours. We're going to go to the website here in a second. And taking a look at the chart, we had a little increase right here. Then it came down a little bit. Now it went on a little spike. Now it came back down. Now it went back up. I mean, we got a 40% increase in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely fantastic. It says right here, the Hamster's token's goal are financial freedom and not to be affected by negative causes by the market. The Hamster token tried to be useful to society, and Hamster token is going to be a hard worker for you to be useful in the community forever. So Hamster, let's go ahead and head over to its Twitter account real quick, the big news on what's going on. You know, so we're over here at the Twitter account. It says, take a selfie in front of Times Square's billboard and get rewarded as $100. So over here, we're going to go ahead and go on the billboard here in Times Square. This is pretty big. I mean, think about if you had your own company and you were doing this, and all of a sudden you were advertised like this. There it is, Hamster. Keep the wheel spinning for Hamster. Take a picture and you get a $100 reward in front of it. Send it in. Come on, pretty neat, huh? Look at the Hamster. It's right next to Amazon yet. Hamster and Amazon. There's the Hamster. So again, over here at the Twitter account, basically, if you take a little selfie in front of this, you're going to get a $100 reward. Make sure you send it in. You know, coming soon, a Hamster swap, we know that, which is awesome. Elon Musk right here, we love that Elon loves to be promoting the Hamster. What do you mean by that? Here's what I mean. Here's Elon Musk. Hamster Coin increases in value by 500% after a simple tweet of Elon Musk, or simple comment. Here's Elon, basically, that he's the owner of Tesla and SpaceX. Here he is, he's wearing a little hamster shirt and stuff. Even Elon Musk is really into it. The billionaire only responds to a tweet from one founder of the cryptocurrency Dogecoin, who shares the news of the hamster, who becomes a cryptocurrency trader thanks to the owner using to decide investments and purchase action. So even Elon Musk, he decides to wear a little shirt and everything, and it goes up, how much? 500% for the Hamster. Over here at Hamster Coin's website, wanted to kind of show you something kind of cool here. If you click this twice, it kind of goes away, and then look what happens here. It's kind of interesting. all of a sudden it pulls up and it's like, it forms itself, and it forms the whole country. Isn't it kind of neat? Look at that. You got all the different countries being formed and stuff like that. I just thought that was kind of neat. But just kind of talking about things, you know, where can you get the hamster? Hit exchanges. You know, you got Pancake Swamp, Coin Tiger, XT.com. They're pretty interesting there. You know, in the news, you know, we already talked about Hamster right here with the tweet, but right on their website, you can kind of go and it talks about what's in the news. And look, there's Elon Musk talking about the Hamster Coin. You know, you got to really like that. The list, you know, where can you actually, where is it listed? It's listed on Coin Market. We were just showing you on Coin Market. It's also listed on CoinGecko here. On CoinGecko, you can click it. Look at, there's all those 8 zeros again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9630. So the hamster you can get on CoinGecko. You know, and here's why I choose Hamster Coin. You know, there's a couple of things that are big about them. You know, first is the transparency. You know, it says Hamster Coin is a decentralized and supported by the community of enthusiasts. We encourage the constant open communication and believe in trust, transparency, and community are the 3 pillars to build professional success. You know, community, Hamster Coin is one of the fastest growing and most loved communities in crypto. We believe that only united we are strong. Community is everything to Hamster Coin. Strives to promote unity within the team. You know, so there's 2 other concepts. Trust. For success in business, trust is paramount. This means full transparency, not only in the community and the development, but also in the security efforts. And then longevity. Hamster Coin is in for the long haul. The decentralized community is fostered in adopting long-term development and efforts which will consistently benefit to all involved. So you got the 4 core pillars, which are awesome. You know, the tokenomics, you know, 4% of the BTC, the Bitcoin is redistributed to the holders. 4% is used to fuel the liquidity pool and exchange growth. 4% of the BTCs is allocated to buyback market value. In note, in order to receive rewards, you must have this many hamster tokens in your wallet, which is a lot. I mean, it isn't, but there's a lot of zeros there. The ecosystem, hamster coins are unlocked within a certain period. You know, all kinds of awesome stuff going on here. So bringing you the Hamster Coin, up 40% today on Sunday in the last 24 hours. When we did a video about a week ago, it was up 700% in the basically last 7 days. Now it's up 40%. Hopefully everybody put it on the radar. You went over to Pancake Swap and you basically, you know, maybe checked it, you know, as one of your favorites and stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All the information on the channel is for educational purposes only. So we definitely do like the cryptocurrency, talking about it, mining it, staking it, you know, doing the different coins, all kinds of good information. So Tom Brady talking about getting into cryptocurrency. What's that about? So yeah, Tom's getting into something. Let's see what he's getting into.
Can I talk to you about something?
We talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone. Hey! Yeah, I'm in!
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in. I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would. Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto. With FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
So again, there's Tom getting into cryptocurrency. Today on Sunday, everybody's going to see that in all the different markets. Seattle, Texas, Florida, you know, wherever you happen to be at, Los Angeles, Chicago, Arizona, you're going to see that Tom's getting into cryptocurrency. Why is that important? Well, Tom basically has won more Super Bowls than anybody that's played the game, and he's still currently playing. And he's going to be basically advertising about this, and he's going to let everybody know that he's getting into cryptocurrency, and the person's going to be like, what's cryptocurrency? And then they're going to go to Google, and then they're going to Google it, and all of a sudden Tom's going to be talking about it, and then all of a sudden all these coins are going to just keep getting more popularity. See, we're in the right place at the right time, everybody. So that's kind of awesome. Do me a favor. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. We want everybody to know. You know, we want everybody to know about cryptocurrency. So everybody, you go ahead and enjoy your Sunday. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, Hamster Coin. Don't forget to go down to New York and get your picture, your selfie, and send it in. Get $100 for that. I mean, that's pretty big that in New York, you actually got in the big billboard, Hamster and stuff like that. So, everybody started to know about it. 40% increase in the last 24 hours. So, hey, everybody, have a great day today on Sunday.